Yo, yo, yo. If anyone is watching this stream, welcome back. I don't know what else to say. It's good to be back, I guess. I forgot to update the title of the live stream. I need to update the episode number. Give me 1 second, guys. We haven't officially started yet, so gonna be fine. Maybe I should have some kind of a rule in the live streams where I just say, hey, no vibe coding allowed or something. That could be a bit clickbaity though, because I use Copilot, but no AI agent or something. Anyways, welcome back. We are so back. Man, the guitar in the background looks so cool. I should just place the guitar here. I'm not even playing it anyways. It's yeah, I'm a bit embarrassed to say that, but whatever. Welcome back, everybody. We have Ratworks episode 15 on our agenda today. We're gonna do some Ratworks. Rats or work. I don't know. I have no idea. We're just gonna chill. I don't know what's gonna happen in this live stream. It's just kind of a random one, to be honest. Actually, 1 second. Let me just post this live stream link to the Discord. We have a Discord, by the way. Discord. We have a Discord server called Grindhouse, where we have very talented people talking about all kinds of nerd stuff and also other stuff. It's fun. Let me just post this to Discord 1 second. Alright, hanging out in the terminal. So, as promised, we're gonna hang out in the terminal. So what are we gonna do? First of all, I have a backlog of things to do. And what is the best way of doing that without not having... What's the best way of doing that with having fun? We're just gonna do it on live stream. You're just gonna see my process. This is the point of the live streams, you know. So I have a tweet called Insider. Let me just change the background actually. Okay, this is better. So I have a tweet called Insider, and it's for analyzing binaries. I should really spend more time on this because I really like it. It's I think very cool, cool project. But at some point the development got very slow. It actually stopped. So yeah, just need to update this to Ratatouille 0.30 now. The problem with that is, so if I remember correctly, let me just explain it to you. So we have Ratatouille 0.29, right? If we go ahead and bump this to 0.30, let's just do that. Is it gonna work? Nope. This widget ref thing is not working. So go to logo RS. Let me just turn down the music a little bit. I don't know why we're listening to something very strong today. I need something more chill. Or maybe this one. Good night, Orhunabi. Hey man, what's poppin', man? It's good to see you. I mean, dude, I just gotta say, you've been on these streams last year and you're still here, man. I just really appreciate the loyalty. The loyalty to the grind, man. I love you. I want to meet you in real life one day. I don't know where you live, but let's just hang out, dude. You seem very cool. He is the OG, guys. He's the OG. He's actually the only one watching the stream. So it's actually 1-to-1 probably. I'm not. Yeah, probably not the only one, but you know. Anyways, we're just fixing Ratatouille. What? Oh, my bad. What? Ah, shit. What happened? Oh, this is from... What is this? Oh, man. I'd like to meet at an event. Let's meet up at some Rust event. Yeah, that would be great. That would be great. Well, I don't know why I just run the blue twee. I want to run bacon. It's just gonna make it easier to see the errors. Okay, there you go. What? Missing render implement. What do you mean? Oh, render ref. That's why. Okay. What the hell? Dude, just do this. Okay, you know what? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna remove this whole thing. Just remove it. Implement missing members. You don't need this size thing too. Okay, something is still wrong. Oops, not Clippy, not Clippy. Oof. I still don't know how to use bacon at this point. Anyways, I guess it's can I see diagnostics? Oh, this is from, this error is from, I know where it is from. It's from ANSI to TWI. Yes, so we're just gonna bump to 8.1. This live stream is just gonna be bumping dependencies, by the way. I'm sorry about that, but what are you gonna do? What you gonna do? You gotta do the maintenance, you know. You gotta give people what they want, and what they want is up-to-date dependencies, more secure. I'm just bullshitting at this point, but anyways, are we using? Oh man. Cross-term event. The inconsistency between cross-term versions that are being used across different dependencies is giving me headaches now. Also, yeah, also the problem is I have embedded multiple Ratatouille apps in this one. So this one depends on another project called there you go, that's the name of the project. I don't know why they called it that, but let's just bump that to Ratatouille 0.30 because without that we won't be able to compile. It's not gonna happen. It's not happening. So we gotta just bump this thing first. Oh man, it's gonna be a mess. Oh, there you go. Bump Ratatouille. I could probably just push to this branch, so I'm gonna just go there. Hopefully no errors. I mean, we don't have many dependencies here. We have only Ratatouille actually, and that's all. So it's gonna be fine. So my plan is bump this project and then go to the other one, which is I think Lurk. I'm not sure. So this project is not mine. I was invited here to help with maintenance, so I'm not sure if it'd be ethical for me to go ahead and just create a release now? Probably not. It's probably fine though, but yeah, anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and check this out real quick to see if it's working. Seems like it's working. So this project is a hex editor, and I'm just embedding this whole twee inside my twee because you can actually do that with Ratatouille. So yeah, I mean, seems fine. All checks passed. We're just gonna ship it. Let's just ship it. All right, boom, shipped. Let's do clap too. It's probably fine. Oh, conflicts. Dependable rebase. Let's just rebase it. So now that I have updated dependencies, if I depend on the Git version of this, it should just work. I mean, of course not, but like it's gonna give me less errors, I hope. No. Awesome. What is this? Cross term. Wait, I need to update cross term too. What is going on? Cross term. Wait. Cargo tree. It comes from hex helper. Oh, okay. That actually makes perfect sense now. Cross term. Why do I have multiple versions of cross term here? Oops. Term background. What? Twee pop-up. Twee big text. Twee input. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna just bump these to twee input. Oh man, this is so many versions behind. Twee big text. We're gonna bump that one too. Okay, now let's check again. And what happened? Unicode width is causing problems now. This whole live stream is just gonna be figuring out dependency conflicts. So Unicode width. Let's just use 0.2. Also, we probably need to... No, not really. Okay, let's see if this is gonna work. Okay, so build again. Now we only depend on a single version of Unicode width, which is fine. When I finish the cargo tree twee, it's gonna be even better. We're just gonna use that to explore the dependency tree. Actually, I could probably run it here. Let me give you a little demo while we're at it. So cargo tree twee. Let's do binsider cargo toml. Alright, there you go. This is how it looks like. I don't have any search functionality right now though, so no search. No search, but I mean still usable. I want to add search. I think search would be great. Right now I cannot really tell. Yeah, let me just add search, but later. Now we gotta just figure out this dependency hell. So the logo thing is causing problems. Let's go to the diagnostic. Yeah, I need to implement the reference to that. Okay, now that is fixed. What is going on here? Some backend errors. This is actually mentioned in the breaking changes of Ratatouille. If you go to breaking changes MD, I think there was some change related to the backend's error type. Yeah, backend now requires an associated error type. Let's just find that entry. Yeah, there you go. So instead of IO result, we just need to return. What is this? Oh, bin-side error. So I gotta go. Good night again. Thanks for joining, Larry. I'll see you next time, hopefully, or somewhere in real life. We'll see. We'll see. So okay, if your app or library uses backend trait directly, you need to update the referenced error type. You can explicitly require the associated error to be IO error. Okay, we could do that, but we don't really have a custom backend thing here, so we could probably just use the init and restore functions from Ratatouille. But I don't want to do that. Can I implement that for std error though? Wait, I could probably just use my LSP for that. Nope. Oh, hey dude, hello. How's it going? I'm just trying to get out of this dependency / type hell. Okay, can I actually do that? I'm just curious now. Probably not. From okay, let's do this. From wait. I'm just gonna use IO error actually, IO result maybe. Not sure actually. Guy here from Mastodon, hello. Shout out to my Mastodon homies. No, I'm just kidding. Shout out to people from Mastodon. Follow me on Mastodon. It's what is my Mastodon handle actually? It's I'm on Fostodon, so yeah. Your rice is very interesting, bro. Thank you. It's here, but I haven't added the latest screenshots yet. But I have a .files repo, and I also live streamed my whole setup couple of weeks ago, 2 weeks ago probably, before 2026. Man, I always forget which year it is. Anyways, I have a live stream if you want to watch me suffer and reconfigure Neovim and everything. Run cargo build. Fix errors. There you go. I'm just wipe coding now. What are you working on? So this is a project called Binsider. This is a terminal UI for analyzing binaries, and right now I am trying to update the dependencies, and hopefully when I do that I'll create a new release. So I'm just like overall maintenance. I don't want to say boring stuff, but sometimes it is. So yeah, that's the project. There you go. I'm gonna post a link to the chat. Also, it's using Ratatouille. I mean, of course, I don't even need to say that anymore, I think. But yeah, so yeah, this project depends on multiple other projects. So I need to update all of those projects to be able to update this one. And funny story, I actually have a podcast just talking about the history of this project. But when you depend on multiple crucial components on your app, you happen to contribute back, and when you do that frequently, you just sometimes get involved in that project, which means you become a maintainer. Now, because of this project, I accidentally became the maintainer of 2 more projects. First one being this hex editor one, and the other one is it's about syscalls. So it's just a curse, man. I mean, more that you do, more that you take responsibility, and then at some point you just cannot handle everything at once, and then you have a huge fucking backlog. But anyways, hate it when that happens. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. One day I'll just yoink your tweet style. Go for it. Go for it. I mean, I yoinked it from many other tweets, so it's all good. Go for it. But yeah, open source, man. CD changelog. This is an important dependency. It's good. Just ship it. Just ship it. Anyways, guys, what are you working on? I mean, I'm just trying to make friends here. I mean, I'm just a guy on the internet using art, so I have no friends. So what are you guys working on? Just speaking the facts, man. Just speaking the facts. Our board. Let's see what this is about. Jesus, that's a long changelog for a minor bump, but sorry, not a minor. It's a patch bump, but it's just a huge changelog. Okay. All right. I don't know why the Clippy is failing though. No idea. Just started making a Docker client in Rust. Nice. Hopefully you'll also create a TUI for it using a certain TUI library. That would be great. Dependable rebase. Let's just rebase this thing really quickly. Oh, what happened? I guess it's just fixed now. I don't know what happened, but let's see. I just wipe coded there a little bit, and then now everything is fixed. That's how you fix world problems. What got you into OSS, Oren? I didn't know I was doing open source until I created like 5 or 6 projects and just realized that this is a beautiful ecosystem and I just want to stay in it. So just making programs for fun and just sharing them on forums and with friends, and then at some point I started uploading stuff to GitHub, and then I shared it on Reddit and I saw that people get excited, and then I got hooked. So it's a drug. I'm making Kali Dukes and wanted to break from Vulcan and Rust, but I'm losing it, so I came to see what you're up to. Little test. Let's talk about this code base. Wait, I heard about Kali Dukes. What was it again? I couldn't even find it. What was it again? Wait, this one? For some reason I just got it saved in my history. For some reason I saw this thing before. I don't know where though. Like, do you have a Twee? We have it, probably not. But I mean, I remember this project. Where do I remember it? Anyways, I'm just gonna give you a star. Keep cooking. Add a Twee if possible. If not, make it a Twee. Anyways. Alright. Okay, that was the fix. Just one line. Just this, and it works. Okay, cool then. So now we have bumped everything to Ratatouille 0.30. This is how the UI, terminal UI looks like, by the way. Man, I should have really added a Easter egg to this. I'm just kind of regretting that right now. But anyways, you can do a lot of things in here. You can see strings, you can xdump, get some static info. You can run the binary, get some dynamic info, and that's the whole UI. Hopefully when I publish a new version, it's gonna be also installable from Crates.io, because some people reported some problems. But let's see. So okay, let me just merge this too. You can probably check the outdated dependencies again. Twee maybe sometime would be great. I mean, we need a Twee for everything. I'm just gonna say it, guys. It's a new thing. It's a new cool kids activity. Just making Twees for everything. No, I mean, if it's like really useful, I think it should just have a Twee. Okay, bumped all the dependencies. Alright, let's see. So elf, we can update elf. Gotta check the release though. Let's see the changelog. How much time did this take you? Good question. There was one tool. What was it? One fetch. Created 2 years ago. Probably a year. But I mean, I took breaks. I literally did my military service in between. Like I was working on this, and then I joined the military for a month, and then I just came back. So I mean, what, a year, but probably a couple of months in total. But I mean, the thinking phase and just like writing code, and I didn't use any AI back then. I literally didn't use any AI for this project. It's fucking crazy to me right now when I think about it. No Copilot as well. No Copilot. Oh man, it's tough times. Can you believe that? No AI. Anyways, breaking improvements. That's a first. I mean, I know breaking changes, but what is improvements? Anyways, drone nightly feature. New features. Okay, this sounds good. Just let me just get the latest version. Let me just get the latest version, elf. Alright, there you go. What was the other dependency again? It's taking forever. LDD3, okay. There's also a minor bump. Let's see the changelog. I really should just set up dependable. Whoever's sending hearts, thank you. I love you too. What am I looking at? Thank you for sending hearts. appreciate the hearts. I really need that in my life. In my live stream. Okay, let's see. I don't like doing this manually, but whatever. I'm just checking if there's anything suspicious or what has changed. No changelog, but seems good. Okay, let's just bump it. LDD tree. Alright. Bro, people who coded before googling and shit is mentally insane for real. Imagine that experience, bro. I mean, that's literally just nuts to me. Yeah. That's crazy to me. I mean, what is, like, what do you ask, you know, like, what do you ask? How do you do things? I really respect those people. Now we got a problem, guys. Name. So what is this? Like, note any? It's a data. So what the hell is this? How do I convert this to string now? And why am I getting this all of a sudden? Sorry for the flashbang. Note any name string. Okay. Okay, we can name string, you said? Note any name string. Oh, okay, that's just gonna use name string. So a little bit of a weird API, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so it's turning a result though. How do I? Okay, I don't know. UTF-8 from. Is this a actual function? Oh. Note any. Okay, I gotta just do this. Now it's turning a result. I gotta handle that. Unwrap or else maybe. Okay, parses the node's name and bytes as UTF-8 sequence with trailing null bytes removed. Let's see the source. Anyways, let's just go with expect maybe to string. I don't have a test suite for this. I mean, it would be nice if I could just test. If I had like a bunch of binaries that I could just run this on, but unfortunately I don't have that now. But anyways, low-key wish there was a quicker way to look up things on the Rust docs for real. Dude, I mean, I'm just getting used to the key bindings on Rust doc, but I don't know what you mean. Like, what are you? Which feature are you missing? Just curious. Okay, now if I bump the LDD tree, will be good. Okay. I wonder, do you use Arch? No. Guys, I'm actually using TempleOS, but just for the sake of the stream, I'm running Arch. Yes, by the way. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna change my background. Okay, let's go with this little. Oh, come on. Okay, there you go. There you go. I have a liminal space in my background now. I mean, kind of liminal. Hope you guys like that. No more Arch. Okay, I just need to create a new release on this hex editor library. No, sorry, not library. I mean, TUI. Let's see. Thomas, why are you crying, man? Why are you crying? You didn't like my background. Let's just create a new branch. Where is this release? I guess I just need to bump the version and that's all. Okay, get fetch tags. Let's just fetch them. Get clear view. Okay. I gotta update the changelog here. Actually, 0. Okay, there you go. Just dependency bumps. So there you go. We also remove these things. Gotta update the cargo toml too. But now viewers won't know instantly that you use Arch by the way. Okay, sorry. Let me just change it back. My bad. Maybe I'll just use this background. I'll just use this. Okay, this is less direct, but still Arch. You know. Hope you're happy with this one. Let me know. Why do I have the header in the changelog though? Let me just remove that. I don't need that. Okay. What was the commit message? Let me just copy this. I'm too lazy to type it out fully. Okay. I really need a YubiKey, I know. Okay, let's just create it. Required bumps sort of tweet to 0.30. I don't know why I put so many exclamation marks there. Anyways, let's just gonna do this. Required 4. Okay, I gotta just ping the author. Hope you don't mind me merging this directly, but it's just dependency bumps, and I am on a live stream, right? Okay, let's not do that. Let's not do that. Okay, let's see. Looks good to me. Ship it. Just ship it. Man, I really want to just release the new version of Pinsider today. I gotta do this today. It's been dragging for so long now. It's been dragging for at least a year now. I gotta do it today. It's the big day. I don't even know what I added in the last release. I don't even remember what happened there. But we gotta do it now. Come on, just be quicker. Just be quicker. Let's get it. Resolve this conversation. Oh, this one also a bit annoying. I don't know why this was failing, but I couldn't figure it out. It's probably because I'm using cargo MSRV in a weird way. If you don't know, cargo MSRV is just for checking the Rust version that your project uses versus the Rust version that your project actually needs. So this one It's failing for some reason, and I don't even know. But anyways, let me just create a release for this. Oh shit, I cannot do that. Oh no, I cannot do that. At least want to approve. Oh shit. You can also merge this with... Wait. Can I even do that, really? Probably not. Shit, we're stuck, guys. Probably I cannot merge it because it needs a review. We're stuck again, guys. I cannot really create a new release of Insider. Oh my god, I'm so sad right now. Drop F in the chat. F in the chat, guys. Nice to see you again. Hello, Init Politics. Oh man. Maybe I can bypass this though. Don't be sad. Dude, we cannot create a release. It's not something that we can merge. Okay, just merge. Just merge, come on. Can I push the main? Oh shit, I did. Wait, did I just merge it? What did I do? Did I just bypass the thing? No, it's on main, on the wrong remote though. Okay, upstream. No. Oh my god. Wait, I cannot merge. Because review is needed. Haha. I'm not really laughing here. Just wish I could easily look stuff up for you right now. I had to browser open. It's not fully keyboard controllable. Sally, I don't know. I don't own a mouse. I feel you, man. Damn, we cannot create a new release of Insider today as well. Damn. I'm really sad right now. Oh my god. Okay, let's just fix the issues anyways. Damn, man. I really wanted to create a release. Not gonna happen today though. We just gotta wait for this PR to get merged. Does streaming motivate you to be more proactive? Not sure what you mean. Maybe. To be honest, if I was streaming, I would be scared to leak something. Yeah, there's that, but yeah, yeah, you're right, bro. What can I say? There's nothing that I can do about that. Just need to be careful, and that's all. If I leak something, I just delete the stream, or I don't know. Just pray to God that nobody saw that. Using a Marchi right now for 7 days. I can't close Vim till this day. I mean, if you use Temple OS, you wouldn't have this problem. You know that, right? I'm just saying. Don't get me wrong. I'm just saying. I'm just being vocal here. Okay, bump to 6.3 when it's out. Okay, let's do bump to Ratatouille 0.30. Let me also fix the cargo MSRV issue real quick. Cargo MSRV. So cargo MSRV action, is that a thing? How do we check that in Ratatouille? Because I think we have that here as well. Cargo MSRV, no, you don't have that. But I have it in some projects, maybe I have it in Gitcliff. Cargo, wait. Cargo MSRV. Cargo MSRV. I also have the same command here. So output format JSON path, we don't need the path. Verify tail end, yeah, I mean it's the same command. I don't know why it's failing here. No idea. I'm so sad because we couldn't get this thing in, man. I mean, why there's this review requirement? I just like updated dependencies, that's all. Anyways, so code format is failing. Awesome. Okay, fixed. Style fix formatting or something, just push it. And MSRV is still failing. I have no fucking idea why that is failing, but I'm just gonna leave it like that. Oh, maybe it's because the toolchain is just wrong. Rust version. Okay, cargo MSRV. We gotta just check this thing. Of course, find. It's gonna download a bunch of... Oh man, it's gonna download a bunch of Rust toolchains now. My drive will be very upset. Anyways. Okay, I think I'm done with the Binsider grind for now. Let's just do something else, guys. Let's just do something else. I'm just going through my notifications here. We have some fun stuff to look at, actually. So I'm gonna pull up. So I have a very interesting PR on Ratatouille. If I can find it. I am just looking at it, still cannot find it. Examples. Oh man, where is it? Oh, there you go. You guys are gonna like this one, I'm sure. Alright, I have the link. Screen. Boom. Add volatility surface 3D visualization. That's insane work. That's insane work, I'm telling you. Now check this shit out. Okay, I couldn't even fetch. Let me just remove the... Wait, I was now on main. I couldn't even fast forward. Okay, now check this out. Man, It's just crazy example. Let me just review it real quick. So it's an app example, examples, apps, volatility service. Now let's just run it and see what this is doing. Oh my god, dude. Can I zoom out? Holy shit. What the hell, man? What the hell is going on? I mean, we are in the terminal right now, right? And this is an example. Okay, let's change the palette. This is so satisfying for some reason. We should have like more 3D stuff in the terminal, man. It's so fun to look at. Oh my god. So good. Love it. So that's the example. And we have this PR here. Let's just go through things. Color grad. Controls, okay, that's fine. I mean, I think I have already looked into that. And it was looking good. I'm just finding a new music to play because I got really bored from the old mix. Okay, anyways, so colors, camera distance. We could even have this thing as a widget at some point. I mean, it's not super usable, but like, yeah, probably not though. I mean, I already approved this, so I don't really see anything here. I'm gonna go ahead and merge it because Josh seems okay with it. He had some comments, but he also approved it. I approved it twice. No. Okay. Okay. Commits. I think we're gonna squash these. Yeah, we're gonna just squash these. Final demo is crazy looking. Squash and merge. Okay, we're gonna remove this from the commit description. Looking good. Ship it. I'm nuclear engineer, and the parallels between nuclear reactor safety and Rust's memory safety are profound and demonstrate a shared philosophy. Catastrophic failures are best prevented by design. I pinned your message. I think about further use of Rust into this kind of system. Yeah, absolutely. Thanks again for your work on this. All right, merged, shipped. It is politics. As the time goes on, my respect for you doubles, man. I respect you. Although you're initializing politics, I respect you, man. Keep cooking. I mean, not in terms of a nuclear sense, but you know what I'm saying, right? All right, I'm just checking some stuff to check. I'm just checking some stuff to check. Let's go. Okay. Let's see. I want to check out Link's PR on the website. She's not here right now, but she's the mastermind behind our new website. So yeah, and she did this PR where an actual Twee app written in Rust is being rendered on web using Ratzilla, and also with effects using Tekken effects inside, like in the landing page, as a part of the landing page. So I think this one is pretty fun. Let's just take a look at that. Let me just pull stuff here. Let me pull this change. Okay, let's just trunk. No, not trunk. Actually, npm run generate ANSI code. Okay, generate ANSI code. What is this doing? Source utils generate ANSI code. Utils generate ANSI code. Project root, input file, output file, theme. Add blank line. Let's, yeah, what the hell is going on here? Oh, it's just like generates the ANSI for input file. What is input file? Source main. Oh, okay. So it just takes that and just generates the ANSI codes for it. And yeah, let me just add a comment before I forget. ANSI code. Okay, there you go. Let's list the additional required binaries for running this as a top comment. I think those are being bat. Yeah, I think the only bat. Yeah. Let's add a note in this file that bat is required. We could even check the existence of the binary and fail early. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so let's generate the ANSI code. Okay, where is it being generated? Code example TS. Code example TS. Just some ANSI. Okay. That's cool. So we have that. Let's trunk serve it. No, not trunk, sorry, my bad. What do we do actually? Probably need to token effects render. Why do we have that as an npm dependency? Is it an npm package? No idea. I guess so. But it's WebAssembly, so... Oh, I like that actually. That's very simplistic. It just like just uses the existing module and then gives it some code with the ANSI code, and then it just works. That's pretty neat actually. Okay, let's run this website. npm dev npm install. Let's just install first. Okay, npm start. npm, okay, how do I even do this? I forgot. npm run dev. So now the live, this thing over here is all written like all rendered with TokenFX. We could do like an could do like an easier explosion powered by, let's just change that to maybe rendered by. Can we do a less aggressive explosion effect? Explosion effect. This looks pretty good to me. The animation is a bit fast and strong. If we could make it milder, then it would be great in my opinion. All right, I'm just gonna comment. All right, moving on to other Ratatouille stuff, guys. Let's take a look at some more stuff. So this one is a bit of an interesting one. Resizing for inline viewport. So fixes horizontal resizing when using inline viewports. Here's a breakdown of the issue from my previous commands. So this basically does something like do some terminal magic. This thing does some terminal magic. Okay, so when using the move up strategy, it literally looks perfect, though disabling line wrap has problems I mentioned. This only applies to Ghosty and it works with or without line wrap. Neither works in Tmux, though Zellige works better than Tmux, and I would say it's usable here, but not perfect. The problem is it only works in Ghosty. That's a problem. And it is actually strange how good it looks. But every other terminal I've tried does not work with this, not a single one. The problem is very much terminal emulator dependent. I'm starting to think that making a good cross-platform solution might not be possible. Anyways, here's Ghosty. Okay, so resizing. Oh, okay, that's actually pretty good. That is very smooth. I thought that we should include a way to disable line wrap in the backend, since that sidesteps this problem completely, regardless of term limiter. But it seems that out of Ghosty Kitty, iTerm 2, Westterm, Rio, only Ghosty correctly implements this code. Okay, what is this code? Man, this issue is deep. What is this code, anyways? Search and see escape code. Is there a website for that? Is there like a website for explaining ANSI escape codes? Because I need to figure this one out right now. Somebody should make a ANSI escape code explorer. Somebody should make that. That's not a project? What? Somebody, what the hell? You should literally have that thing. ANSI escape code explorer. ANSI explorer maybe. I just want to paste ANSI viewer. ANSI escape code. I just want to paste a single ANSI escape code and then just see what it does. That's the idea. If you do that, that's at least 1k stars. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, 1k stars. If you want 1k stars and a good project on your portfolio, make this thing happen. I literally cannot find anything like that. Oh my god. Anyways, we're just gonna ask it to ChatGPT then. What is this? It tells terminal to disable automatic line wrapping. Turn off deck mode 7. With wrapping disabled, with wrapping enabled. Okay, okay then. And even its implementation is a little half-assed. I don't think there is a way forward here. Feel free to use this PR if you want. Works flawlessly with Ghosty and it's a better default for other terminals. The TUI will jump up to the top and render normally instead of printing a lot of garbage, so it's something at least. And multiplexer are still broken. Damn. Such a rabbit hole, man. Let's just run it and see it for ourselves. Ratatouille. It's just crazy how deep terminal problems can get, man. Like, you know. Okay, what do I run now? Do you have an example code somewhere? What are you even running in this screencast? inline resize. I think we can just run the inline thing here. Well, it kind of like works. Nope, it doesn't, just like goes up. But that's with the current implementation. Just like moves. Just like moves, but without this, actually, let's just check what happens without this one. And let's just run the app again. It kind of breaks, I think, but I'm not sure. Like, I gotta just see for myself. Let's see the cleanness of the code. See if it's clean or not. Man, I'm just getting hypnotized by this GIF. Just getting hypnotized. Anyways. If terminal grew, we don't do anything special. Truncate every row. No, thanks for your work and investigation on this. It's definitely valuable. It's definitely valuable. Kind of sad to hear that this behavior is terminal emulator. Is implemented, although I think there might not be many things we could do on the Ratatouille side. I still see this PR as an improvement. Maybe the next step would be to report this to related upstreams. For example, Zellige, I don't know, other terminals, Westterm, KT Westterm. Although it seems like I haven't tested this truly. I haven't tested this to Rolly yet. We'll get to it soon. Is this like a long-standing issue or is this like a recent one? September 10. Okay, that should be good. Why am I lagging? Interesting PR, definitely. And also interesting problem. Let me just find something else to look at now. Oops. I'm just looking at my emails. Maybe we could just do this one. Because this is also like an issue from some time ago. 3 weeks ago. The color of the scroll bar is inconsistent. Fuck, I can't even speak. The color of the scroll bar is inconsistent between the top and bottom. A stable scroll bar, row part and a blank part is slightly... what? What? What do you mean? I don't see that. Which app is that? Table. I think that's one of the apps that we have. Let me find it. Oh no. Table. Maybe it's the table app. What? Between the top and bottom. I'm not sure. Hello, thanks for reporting and sorry for the delay. I'm not... Could you share a short Snippet, short code, minimal code snippet for reproducing this. It would also help to see how you configure the scroll bar. Blank parts color is more gray. Okay. Okay. Just one comment. I mean, that's very annoying, to be honest. You port one issue and then 3 weeks later you get a response and it's just like, just give me more info or something like that. Okay, we have another issue. Another bug report. We have so many bug reports, man. It's just crazy at this point. Okay, paragraph doesn't apply line styles to the entire line. Okay, now we got a reproduced, I don't know what I'm saying. Some kind of reproducibility something. Okay, what the hell is going on? Merge abort please. What the hell? Okay, what? Okay, resets. Okay, just pull. Let's run this example. Let me go to temp cargo new repro. Let's just maybe add ratatouille. Path gonna be this. Oh my god, just come on. What's going on? No such file directory. Okay, that's because I fucked up. I fucked up again. What the hell? What? Okay, great. It took me fucking 10 tries to get it correct, but now I get it. Alright, so we got that. Let me just copy this whole thing. It's just, oh, wrong place to paste. The following code demonstrates the current behavior and includes a simulation of the expected result. Simulate expected paragraph results with manually wrapped text. So current paragraph behavior can be achieved by styling a line's span instead of styling the line itself. Okay. Just run. Paragraph should apply line styles to the entire line, since the current behavior can still be achieved if you style a span instead of styling the line directly. As far as I know, paragraph is the only widget with text wrapping, and there is currently no way to style entire lines using it. What do you mean? Hello reversed, a very long string that wraps to the next line. A very long string. Okay, styled spans. Hello reversed, a very long string that wraps to the next line. Wait, what's the difference between the first one and the last one? What do you mean? A paragraph contains style lines only applies the style to the actual text, as opposed to text which will apply to the whole line. What? I'm having struggle understanding it. The current paragraph behavior. Note how the styling cuts off where the text ends. Oh, okay, I got it. Okay, I got it now. This here, it just ends like that. The text behavior styling extends to the end of the line. Spans. Interesting. But this doesn't play well with what we have architecturally. Like we have line. How this is being rendered is basically buffer set string or something. Set cell. Okay, where's the render function? Impl widget for line. Render with alignment. Let's see that. Okay, how do we render spans? Yeah, how we do this right now is it actually makes sense if you read the code. So let me just go to here, line rs. It's in text probably. Impl widget for line, render with alignment. Render spans. So gotta go to span the rs probably. Oops, what am I doing? I just need to search for files. Dude, why Novum is so freaking slow? Span rs, let's go here. So impl widget, there you go. So set symbol and set style. So this bug is about how we render spans, but I mean, didn't this guy said that you could achieve the same thing with spans? That's a bit weird. It actually doesn't work. It's kind of weird that it works with spans but not lines. Maybe it's about the reversed property. Instead of reversed, let's just do red. Actually, hold on. Let's just do... Oh. Let's just do some like red on white, maybe? Red on white. Is this about wrapping? Okay, let me just ask AI real quick. Can you explain why this happens with references in the code? For example, my line does not style until the end of the current line. Interesting problem. Just waiting for AI. All right, let's see the analysis. What? Hello. What's making you choose Codex instead of Cloud Code or Open Code? Because Codex uses Ratatouille. And I just like Ratatouille. That's the only no, I mean, it's fine. I work on Ratatouille, Codex is Ratatouille, so yeah, that's that. So, okay, paragraph turns each line into an iterator of style graphemes. So style only applies where grapheme exists, not to the remaining empty cells in the row. Line 475. 475. Paragraph pre-fills the whole text area with the paragraph style, then writes only the graphemes into the buffer cells. Past the end of the line, keep the paragraph style, not the line style. When wrapping, word wrapper splits the stream into wrapped lines and can drop white space at wrapped boundaries, so therein when trailing speed is to paint the rest of the line in the reverse style. Okay. Can confirm this issue. Any possible ideas for fixing? What should we do to fix that? I mean, AI is really helpful when it comes to stuff like this. Only style cells where graphemes land, so empty cells keep the paragraph style. Yeah, okay. Can confirms this issue. The root cause is paragraph only style cells where graphemes land. So I need to explain what grapheme is too. Probably not though. This is actually a pretty good sentence. I could just like use this. Paragraph turns each line into styled graphemes. And the style only applies where graphemes exist, not at the remaining empty cells in the row. In other words, cells past the end of the line keep the paragraph style, not the line style. To fix this, we to make paragraph fill the remaining cells on a row with the same style as line after rendering the graphemes. This is a behavioral. This would be a behavioral change in paragraph, and it's probably breaking for many apps. Okay, there you go. It was a fun little dive into Ratatouille internals, I think. I enjoyed that. Let me see if there's any other PR. There's this one. I think this is the last one. Fix buffer diff for trailing cells when only style changes. This PR fixes a visual artifact bug. Let's see. Did somebody just send me a heart on the chat? Thank you for that. Oh. That's the render bug. Let's just check. Thank you for sending hearts. Really appreciate it. Okay, Rosette render bug. Foreground color. Let's just run it. Okay. Seems fine without colors. Let's add the color. I cannot reproduce this one though. What the hell? Which terminal emulator are you using? Windows 11, Windows Terminal. What? where block borders would appear offset when rendered over a widget that had a foreground color style applied to the entire area. Block borders should always be aligned. Well, I mean, I don't experience this here. Or maybe I'm just running it in the wrong way or something. Hi, what plugin do you use for cursor movement on Vim? I'll just send you a link. This doesn't crash for me though. Like it did because I just resized it, but okay, maybe it's dependent on the terminal. Nope. Nope. Maybe it's a Windows issue. I mean, I'm just gonna say it, guys. This might be a Windows issue. So I try with 3 different terminals now. Actually, let me just try with Rio too. If this is not crashing here, then I don't know what to say. Okay, I mean it's working fine. Environment to Windows. The bug occurs in buffer depth and processing white characters containing this character. I think we had a fix for that at some point. Yeah. This was the PR. Clear behavior with VS16 white emojis. Hello, thanks for reporting. I have tried to reproduce this on my machine, but couldn't get the same result. I'm running Arch and tried with Alacrity, Western, Ghosty, and Rio terminals. All of them seemed to handle this as well. Let me add a screenshot too. Render bug. Yep, there we go. This made me think maybe it's a Windows terminal. No, it's actually macOS Ghosty. I mean, I cannot reproduce it with Ghosty. I tried it. Could you maybe check with another terminal emulator on your side. In case this is also see related. Probably the fix is valid though. Only emit update if the symbol changed, not just style. The style of fitting trailing cells is now visible, so style differences alone should not trigger updates that can cause cursor position issues on some terminals. Next trailing skip, okay. Where's the regression test? Wait, is this comparing the style? I mean, I gotta check it for myself. Let me just go to here. It's buffer 532 buffer rs, and it's in 532. Just waiting for NeoVim indexing, man. So symbol, so it just compares the cells. When we do that, I just gotta wait. Let me go to cell rs. How do we compare? I'm not sure this thing makes sense actually. I'm not sure if this comment is correct. Before we were comparing all the properties of cells. Oh, this is the table cell though. And to check the buffer cell. Okay, there you go. So how do we do this now? Where's the EQ? Input partial EQ. Yeah, there you go. Now we only check the symbol. And let me just post the comment too. Looks good to me. Overall. Thanks for adding the test case for regression. I couldn't reproduce this visually though. See my comment in the issue. Okay, there you go. I think my backlog of Ratatouille PRs is now clean. Let me check again. Yeah. My backlog is clean, guys. And with that, I'm just gonna end this live stream. It was fun. So many terminal stuff. I am so sleepy right now. I have to grind in my sleep a bit. So thanks for joining. I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe, join Discord, sponsor me on GitHub. Take care, everybody. I'm out. How do I even stop the stream? I forgot.